Yo, this is Nomifactory hard mode, part I think 25. Yeah, we have luckily now again a lot of naphtha. Um, yeah, and these ones they should be producing. Yeah, okay, perfect. Um, now, um, I want to finally do now the mixer stuff. That we have the mixer ready. Oops. Hold on, we cannot do glass. Yeah, okay, like glass is. Let's get like 16 or so. Yeah, glass is not something that we really need. Oh. Okay, let's do 3 mixer. And then we want to do a little bit the assembly machines. I would say. And then we can begin, in my opinion, the assembling machines. Maybe we need some more chrome. Let's see if we have some chrome left. Okay, is here anywhere some more chromite? Yeah. Okay, then let's do like one more combustion engine and then I don't know why we get out here. Because yeah, we need to kind of increase here what we can craft. We only have this one for now in terms of assembly, but we also need like these ones as on their own. We need an LV and an HV. LV and so on. But yeah, maybe it would make more sense to have it like as a on this one we craft cables, and this one we craft, for example, motors and pistons and so on. But yeah, then let's also maybe attach this one here. This is something that we can do right now, right? Um, we need light fuel. Okay, now we should have octane somewhere. And this should be then here our last. Okay, so Bhutan. Yeah, we then need to do the we need to make progress right now. This is kind of the biggest problem that I had. Because this one here is not enough. Yeah, maybe we actually do that one here. Can we do quartz glass? No. But maybe we should. Yeah. This one here is maybe a little bit too close. I don't know. Because yeah, it's like a three thing. But yeah, the mixing stuff is not important. Because next we need to do PTFE and the likes, like a large chemical reactor. And for that we need more of these guys. One, two, three. Yeah, we also maybe need to do, but the question is a little bit. I think we can do it right now, right? So, what is the best way to get ethylene? Yeah, naphtha. Steam cracked naphtha, right? Really the severely steam cracked naphtha, live fuel. That gives quite the ethylene, which could be quite interesting in my opinion. All right, so next. I would say because we don't need miner here anymore. We can. It is for ethylene, right? Now, can we do a combustion? Okay. Can we do an interface? Also no. Yeah, maybe we should also. Ah. Okay, let's do this one. Yeah, we just need a super tank for lubricant, right? These guys here, they need lubricant. But yeah, yeah, it's on Ivy. We could, yeah. I basically get instantly. Or you just need hydrofluoric acid, chlorine, and methane, right? You get quite a lot of hydrochloric acid. No. Huh? All right. We have the mixer now. Now we need assemblers. I would say, because then we can... Yeah, can we actually do these guys here? Okay, quartz glass is something like this, right?
Last century.
Yeah, the question is, should we do no? And I don't think so that we should do a tree farm right now. Oh wait. Yeah, we need grains of infinity. We need some vibrant crystal, which is vibrant alloy and so on. This one here is pretty easy. But yeah. Okay. Yeah, we have now a lot of heavy oil. What do we need for the ender chest? Not very much. We need a compressor. Do we have a compressor? And we need quite a lot, right? We need 5 per. So 20, 40 of these guys. Yeah, let's get some. And get some more chrome. Okay, we need to look into here. Yeah, it's better, I think, to go over here. We don't have a pump right now. We will get one. Ah. Yeah, we get a lot of magnets. Oh, wait. Okay. Yeah, we want to do now a lot of crafting stations, right? How many would we need? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 4 times 4, 16, so 15. First of all, let's do 14. Okay. What the hell, dude? What is wrong? How much nickel are we needing? Really? Oh my god. Okay, we're still missing some raw rubber pumps. Yeah, but we can craft 7 now, I think. And then 7 again. Okay, we need 15 now of these guys. That means we need 30 chests. But I don't know. Hmm. Oh. Yeah, these guys, I don't know what to do with them. Hmm. Yeah, this is where all of the raw earth is in. Okay, in terms of yeah. For what did we need the aluminium screw? Ah, for the power unit, right? Anything else? No. Yeah. Time to say goodbye. Sapphire plate, we can very simply. Yeah. Steel ring? Steel multi-block tank. Okay, so I think these can go. The thing is that we don't need that big of a tree farm, I would say, right? Yeah, next thing is we will craft a lot of assemblers. The thin item pipe. Okay, now we need these guys. How many? We need 9 times 8. Okay, 12. Okay, so now we need 15 times 4 divided by 6. 15 times 4 divided by 6. Okay, it's 10. And here we need 15 flint, right? We have 5. Where do we have? Do we have any? That's a bummer, dude. How much gravel do we have? Okay, we just need like 10 or so. Where do you have gravel anyway? We don't have gravel anywhere. We only need like 10, but yeah, we need to make progress now. There is no way around it. Yeah, these ones, I don't know what to do with them, by the way. We can make paper of them. But we had some of these, right? Yeah, I don't really know what to do with them. You can compress it into wood planks, wooden cranes. Circuit boards, yeah. You can even, okay. Yeah, we could also okay. All right, so 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's so much bullshit in there. Yeah, let's quickly do them. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's what I'm usually forgetting a little bit in this game is automatic stuff. Even though it's like really not that important. Okay, circuit boards are the problem right now. That is a little bit close, but yeah. We could maybe go like one more here. And then move everything here. Like one over. Yeah, maybe we do that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so first of all, we need to these things here, we need to put them somewhere. So this is kind of standard stuff that we need all the time. These are this one as well, I would say. Yeah, combustion is kind of also more here. Okay. All right, these two. It's basically stuff that we need all of the time. And then the patterns can go here, I think. Hmm. Okay, so okay, time for, I would say, assemblers. We need 6. Okay, first of all, we need more rubber parts. We need more CPUs. Yeah. 3 is also not possible. What is wrong, dude? Yeah, then we need to do the crafting station, right? Yeah, the pyrochlore and so on, we need to, or we actually want to put them somewhere at some point. I don't know about hydrofluoric acid. But it should be kind of an, we need, I think, 2. No, we need 1 chemical bath, right? Yeah, wow. 1 chemical bath here. It outputs to the bottom. On the left side, it can import the hydrofluoric acid. Yeah. It's basically just it's basically just this one here, like pyrochlore. You get some tantalum pentoxide. This one here is kind of a net positive then, but you also need a chemical reactor to kind of limit hydrofluoric acid to like 2K. And then we could put tantalite and so on top. But yeah, that's just okay. Time to automate these guys. I will pause the recording real quick until we're there. Okay. We have now the 4, but the 6. Sorry. Let's set them up. So this will be nothing, nothing, 1, 2. This here will be, I think, 8. What? That's the wrong one. Okay. So this is fair here. I think I would okay, so we will have a dual. Let's craft them. Again, I will pause the recording until we have everything. All right. Now it's time to do the chemical reactor. Okay, this is just a simple. So. Hold on, what? Oh my god, we don't have any silver anymore. Oh man. Okay, we need stainless steel rotor. Yep. And large PTE. Okay, where do we get a lot of silver? Galena. We could do some Galena now. Yeah, okay. Let's process all of this. Yeah, we need a bunch of silver now. I don't even know what the parallel, the co-processing units do, because you have at least some. We quickly have to check where the purified galena comes. It should be right after ruby. Okay, interesting. Because okay, where's ruby? The fuck? Okay, so I think bismuth we have. Yeah, sapphire. Okay. Ah, okay. One after ilmenite. Like ruby is after ilmenite. So okay. And we need a storage bus. And an interface. Bro, it's so much aluminium that you need just for And yeah, we also need a lot of copper cable. Because yeah, then we have to wait for silver. Can we do a card? Okay. Hmm. What? Huh. I thought we had oh, was it slime? It was slime one. Okay. This is kind of the last addition that we need for yeah, I think. No. Not right now. So here needs to be a storage bus. Here needs to be this guy. And this then, okay. So, purified. Galena. Valorite. What do we need? Wait a second. Platinum group clutch. No. Chalcoside, I think. Only tetrahydride, pentlandite, and shadowite. Wait, what? Oh man, dude. What the fuck is this, dude? Thank you. All right, I think now we can do some. How much ethylene do we have left? 60k. Okay. Yeah, we would need to automate now. We would need to automate. Wait, what is asbestos, dude? Ah, the diamantine. Well, would give us some stuff. But yeah, let's get the silver first, I would say. Oh, this shouldn't take as long. Yeah. And now we should get some silver. Yeah. We need some patterns. But what was now the problem with the large? I can't remember. Liquid. No, this is PBI. What the hell? Oh, yeah. What? Oh, yeah. This is a petri dish. Okay, now I think we can craft it. In theory, yeah, perfect. What else do we need for the large chemical reactor? We need, yeah, maintenance. This one and this one, right? So, can we do PTF? Really? Oh my god, dude. Why? Man. Oh. Okay, we already have that. That is good. It is a crafting recipe, by the way. Fluid pipe and frame box, okay. That's pretty easy. I think. And then we need the frame box. Um, what? Bro, what are you doing, dude? We need large chemical reactors, dude. Holy shit, the chemical reaction speed is so slow. Oh my god, dude. But yeah, this one. I think you can very easily, yeah, it's very. Cesium is kind of weird. The cesium is kind of weird. But yeah, large chemical reactors will be quite the game changer, I can tell you. Especially the large one. Elemental reduction fluid. What? Calcium, anil, copper, enderpearl, naphthalene, and fluorantimonic acid gives you 108k. Okay, maybe we have to. Okay. Yeah, maybe we need another lathe. Let's look if we can actually craft that. This is perfect. Yeah, this is why we need the 6. I think we can do them, right? Oh. This is the chemically inert. This is this one, and this one. Nice. Man. Yeah, we also have to do that at some point. Automating that stuff. But I think you need I do 23 seconds. But I think with no, I think you need the phosphor dope gives much more, and also here much more. This is kind of the important part. They give always the same. But yeah, we also need to then automate a little bit lubricant. Lubricant, I think. How did we do that? I need to remember that.
Last century.
I need to remember that how we did that. Because we need creosote, right? Creosote. Question is, how do you get creosote? Wood tar, coal tar? You could do this one here, right? Spruce wood. With some nitrogen, you get it faster. You could also do coal, right? But I think wood is easier. Wood tar. But yeah, setting this stuff up will be quite interesting because we need to Oh, again, rigged. I think. Did it? Because a large chemical reactor has perfect overclock if you mid game, yeah, large chemical reactor. All overclocks are 100%. Each overclock could quadruple the speed as opposed to doubling it. Yeah, so this is kind of. And you basically only want to do. How much copper do we have, dude? 1200. Man, we need again. How much chrome? 96. Yeah, we need to set up some stuff. What the hell? Dude, what are we using, man? I have 2 million light fuel. This could be maybe something. What was it that we wanted to do? Yeah, we also we need to set up a tree farm. And set up the large chemical reactors first, and then we can set up a tree farm, I would say. I wanted to maybe look how much oil we have now. Okay. There's still some oil. Okay. Because I don't think so that there. Yeah. Mm, ba, ba, ba. Not raw oil, yeah. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, 900k is not bad. But we could also use some still going, dude. Holy shit. But yeah, I think we will maybe just craft the stuff. Yeah, ethylene we just need here, steam percolate fuel. But yeah, I will craft this, and then we should have some large chemical reactors that speed up our production. So yeah, see you guys in the next episode, and bye bye.